All right, in science, it's time to see what you can do about the environment. And one of the things we do about the environment is of course, we make it filthy, dirty, we pollute stuff, we pollute the air, we pollute the land, and we pollute the water. But we can also take steps to clean up the water. For example, we could build a filter, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's going to be like a special project for you to build a filter. So first off, this is going to be the thing that you build your filter from. You might get your parents to help you cut this, but you might get a sharp knife like this and cut the bottle. So you get the bottle to look like that, and then carefully put your knife away. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you want to make some dirty water. Now I went out and I collected some dirt, and I collected a lot of other things, so I'm just going to put a little bit of dirt in the water. I have a spoon here too. Yeah, like a half a spoon is good enough. Then you get some water, and you pour the water in there. You get a filthy mixture. You want a drink, little Johnny?
No thanks, Mr. Stang. You can have it all.
I didn't think so. Anyway, you get that filthy mixture, and then the next thing to do is to start building your filter. Now I left lots of materials here, things that might make a good filter. I have some cotton balls. Cotton balls sometimes can be put into here. I also have some gravel. Gravel is often used in filtering systems, so I put some gravel in there. That's straight, gravel is straight rocks, no sand. So it doesn't fall through my fingers. I got this old glove. I could maybe cut it up like this because this cloth seems like it would be good for filter, so I could cut it up if I wanted to. A sponge would look like a good filter. Maybe I could throw an old glue stick in there, I don't know, or a game piece, or maybe even a magnet, because there might be steel into there. So I could throw that in there. Tennis ball, maybe, I don't know if your filter is big enough. But anyway, you're going to make this filter and stick a bunch of stuff in there. And then afterwards, after you've built your filter, notice I have the cap on there. Then you're going to go over to a bucket, and you're going to get another cup like this, and you're going to slowly pour the water into here, and then you take the cap off, and then the water runs into this thing here, and then you want to get this water here as clean as possible. And the cleaner it is, the better you do. Just a few things to mention. This is a coffee filter. Should we be allowed to use coffee filter? No, because coffee filter, that's cheating, man. All you do is you put the filter in there, because coffee filter is already a filter. And then you'd be using something that's already made by a factory. So no coffee filters. All right. You do want to keep it handy, some maybe napkins or something to clean up your spills. when it comes to throwing this stuff away, I'll be honest, what's in this filter is going to be kind of dirty and mucky. So please talk to your mom or dad about where you can dispose of the stuff. You don't want to dump it in the sink. You might not even want to dump it in the toilet because it could plug the toilet. So you should figure out with your parents where you're going to dump with this. Now you're going to try this once, see how it works. Try it twice, see if you can get better. Try it 3 times and see if you can get the best. Each time, really think about what you're putting inside there to make the cleanest water.
Do we have to drink it after we clean it, Mr. Stang?
But don't drink the water. Yes, Jenny. Okay, so there it is. Are you going to be able to clean it up there? I'll be sending you also a form to fill out on how to do experiments. You've got the key question. The key question is, how can I clean this water? There's your key question. And you've got lots of materials here. You can see them in front of you. Yep, that's what you need to do. You write up the experiment. Fill in every place. Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Stang wanted me to remind you that it's how you build that filter, what you put in there, and why you think it's going to work and how it works. That's how you get your grade. You want to make sure you come up with some good designs.
Yes, and when you're finished, write it up in your procedure. That's where he can see how you were really thinking. So make sure your procedure tells you what you were thinking and how you build those filters and why you put that stuff in there. Good luck.